So you see the thing, right? You see? This is just a shot one. Watch this. Watch.
Are we ready?
Sparkly one.
Ready?
Wow. Beautiful.
Oh, that's amazing. It's okay. It's not going to hurt you. It's going on quite long, isn't it?
Whole thing. Yay.
Where are they?
Over there. Over there.
I went like it.
Right.
Oh, whoa. Right, they're both lit now.
It's a bit too close together.
Wow.
Yay.
I like them.
Is it?
Sparkly thing.
Oh. Oh, look. You're missing it. You coming on my hand? Okay. It's going up the stairs. No, it
Whoa.
went ours.
Is it another?
I don't know how trustworthy this hole is.
No.
That's it.
Wait.
Was that it?
Scared to go over.
Yeah, that one. Be careful, Dan.
Hello.
It is like 2 years old.
Wow. Run, Dave.
I'm fucking moving.
Go!
If you notice, the first one over 6 ago.
Come on, here. I know what it is. Just coloured lights. There.
Yeah? Whoa!
Wow. Is that that one?
No,
What was there?
Wow.
that one.
Sparklers. I'm gonna try one soon. Show me, Mum. Show me your best skills. Joking. It's dangerous.
Hello.
Yep. Caught that. Gosh. God's sake. I can't believe I just missed that. I didn't miss this, huh? Do another sky shot. Mom! Mom, show me. Mom, show me. No. Get away from YouTube. Wow.
Need a tall thing.
Another sparkle.
Never seen it.
Yeah.
We're doing a tango. Mum, no! Stop it.
It's gonna hurt you.
That's dangerous.
No, I'm nowhere near you.
Woo!
Because it's me.
Yes.
Tango. Tango. Yeah, it is orange.
Yeah, tango orange.
You ready?
Go. 1,
Excuse me.
2, 3.
Yeah.
Come on.
No, it's lit though. You don't go back when it's lit.
It's lit, man. It's lit. You gotta run, babe. But it's a shot, free shot. Dan.
Excuse me. Is that out again?
I've not done nothing. Is it lit?
Well,
Yeah,
just leave it until you don't see
Just
it.
leave, don't. Oh, yeah. But it's so close right now.
Just give it a minute.
Nah, if I'm gonna get jump scared.
Oh,
Wow, look.
Nah, I don't think it's working.
oh babe, watch yourself.
No,
don't
no,
do,
no,
don't
no,
do
no.
it.
I've got
Don't do
back,
it.
back's messed.
Sit down, Mum.
Right, you ready for a smash?
Yeah.
Daniel,
Try to.
give me the
Phone.
video one more time. One more time so we can get me the numbers.
Wait, let me just record this free shot.
There's no free shot.
It's a free shot.
Well, they're not doing it yet.
That was a free shot, didn't work.
Well, you got dud.
Right, 1 minute.
Right, I'm the bottom first.
Are you gonna record? Oh, let me just record this. I'm getting back. Or should I just sit on the vehicle or something?
Daniel, give me the video a minute. Just the video,
I'm
quick.
I'm gonna miss a free
Well,
shot.
where's the video? Where's
There you go.
Wow!
Yeah.
Go there, Maggie! Keeping away. You recording? Oh!
Where's that?
Ah. Have you done 10 seconds of it?
Wow.
Did you record?
Bye.
Come on, Mary. What's this one?
I don't know.
Did you check?
Fight one.
Sparkly! Wow!
Round and round.
Wheels on the bus go round and round all day long.
Mom, no one wants to hear that.
Yeah, Karen loves that song.
Does she?
Yeah.
Dan, say happy bonfire night.
Bonfire night.
You had to say happy Halloween last time, didn't you?
Crystal!
Oh, let me get one of these ones. Hello guys, bonfire night.
Good now. That's a weird shape plane, isn't it?
Plane. To land. Run, 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 run. Run.
Vanessa.
Run, excuse me. Pretty.
Mine went out first. I don't mind that.
Good. There we go.
Recording, yeah.
Yeah.
stressing, Dan?
Wait, wait.
Guys ain't lit.
What?
Okay.
That was not.
Wow.
1, 2, 3, 4,